Okay, now our next stand is preference. First of all, we will learn about what preferences are, the synonyms of preference. So when I say, what would you prefer between a tea and a coffee? So Vidhanika, please answer me.
Yes,
What?
ma'am, I would prefer tea.
Okay. You have to use the language, that is, I prefer tea to coffee, or I prefer tea over coffee. Okay, these are the two language that you have to use, you'll be using. Preference in itself means you have to make a choice. Okay, so you are at a stronger end, you have the preference to do something. So given forth are few items between which the students have to make a preference and give reasons to support their preference. So in the coming forth slides, I have placed certain pictures. So two students will, of course, talk to each other and tell about their preferences, and they should give the reasons to support that also. Okay?
Can we say it is a GD?
Sorry, beta.
Ma'am, can we say it is a type of GD?
No, it's not a GD because it's not a complete group discussion. It is just you people facing off to each other. Two persons will be there, so it cannot be GD. The language, remember, the language this time you have to use is I would prefer this because, or I would prefer tea to coffee because, or I would like to have tea because. So last time we did the target language use of can and could. This time our model is would. Okay. And the short form of would can be clubbed up like this. I would. Okay. I'd prefer. The pronunciation would be I'd prefer. Okay. Instead of saying the complete I would, I'd prefer tea to coffee because I'd like to have coffee because, or I would prefer coffee because. Okay. So just an understanding from you people. Devisha, tell me which model is used to show the preference.
Ma'am, what?
Good. And Tisha, tell me which model is used to show the strongest possibility.
Ma'am, can.
Abhas, which model is used for showing the weakest possibility?
Ma'am, might.
Karthik, which model is used to show the past ability?
Ma'am, could.
Tejas, which model is used to show moderate possibility?
Ma'am, may,
Moderate is might.
might.
Okay. Sachit,
Yes, ma'am.
which model is used to show preference?
Ma'am, would.
Okay, good. So now we will move ahead. I would choose people from you and you have to talk about certain items. All the students will now state their preference.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
So this is what the drawback of always entering late, Sachi. We have to use this phrasal language. You will be offered two products. Not only you, in fact, all of the students here will be offered two products, and you have to show your preference by using this target language. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, Sachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have one product as Xiaomi and another product as Samsung Mobile. So I would choose Vidhanika and Cheshta to speak about their preferences and tell me why. You should not be speaking too long. I would rather set a time limit that is 20 to 30 seconds. You people need to speak, each one of you. Okay. So with Hanika, you can start
Yes,
first.
ma'am. Yes. I would prefer Xiaomi mobile because Chinese products are much more uh, usable than Indians.
Okay. Cheshta.
I would prefer Chinese mobile or Xiaomi mobile as it has more choices, options, and settings. So I would prefer Chinese mobile.
Okay. So with Hanika, you have used, I would prefer Xiaomi. It's not, first of all, Xiaomi, it's Xiaomi.
Xiaomi.
Yeah. And second is you have used, I would prefer Chinese mobile than Indian. Yeah. So here Indian refers to, though you meant to say Indian mobile, but it actually gave an appearance than a Indian person. Okay. So try to use better words. And you have used, this is more usable. Instead of saying the word usable, it's
Ma'am,
durable.
Samsung is also not Indian.
It is Korean.
Yes, it's Korean. Samsung is Korean. So, though we do not have much knowledge, but still I understand at present, people have knowledge according to their interests. So boys know about it. And in fact, it's not about boys and girls, it's only about our interest areas. So in case we want to Google many things, we can do that. Cheshta, you were okay, but still, I think responses can still be improved. For this question only, I would choose two more people, and this time two boys would be there, Abhas and Adhyan. And your time starts now, Abhas.
I would prefer a Samsung mobile because it is more durable and also it has more features than a Xiaomi mobile.
Okay. Next, Adhyan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will prefer Samsung mobile as I like the company, and China is also boycott by India, so we should stop using the Chinese item. And as I am also taking the class on the same phone as Samsung's.
Okay, good. However, I think you have, it was a slip of tongue, or I don't know. You said I will prefer instead of I would prefer.
Ma'am, it was a slip of tongue.
Yeah, now you can make up for that. Anyways, we will move to the next question. So good attempt, Abhas. It was a nice presentation.
Ma'am, but
And
Samsung is also made in China.
yeah, see, assembling of various mobiles have got Chinese elements somehow. A mobile cannot be completely manufactured in just one country. It has got components of different countries, and yes, majority of components are from China. In fact, in an iPhone also there are Chinese components, and we still are buying it because the brand bears it that it's an American, right? So don't get misled that one product can be only manufactured in one country. So let's start. I would choose this time Devik
Yes, ma'am.
and Mudit. So, what's your preference? An online school or an offline school? And your time starts now. Devik.
I would prefer offline school as online. Sometimes in online school we get distracted by someone. I'm not saying that every time we get distracted, but in online school sometimes when we don't when we are not very concentrated, we are distracted. Hence, whereas in offline school, if we are distracted, our teachers are there for us, keeping an eye on us, so that they could help us and get us more concentrated.
Okay. Mudit.
Yes. Ma'am, I would prefer offline school over online school, ma'am, because the concepts are not cleared in online school. And ma'am, the network issues also happen a lot of times. And ma'am, we get distracted also.
Okay. Nice attempt by both of you. You can introduce a new language like because there are a lot of network issues, it hampers our education or hampers our learning. Okay, for the same question, we would have Sachi and Sachit. Sachi, you can start first.
I would prefer offline school, as in offline school we have a better concentrate and concept clearance. But in online school, we face a lot of issues, not only in studies but in technical issues. So I would prefer offline school.
Okay. Sachit?
I will prefer. I would prefer online school because in offline school. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. May I start again?
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. I basically said online school.
Repeat your answer.
I would prefer offline school because in online school there's not a lot of fun. That
Okay.
was in offline school. Like we in offline school we can meet our friends, but in online school we can meet them, but not in front of each other, not
Face.
face to face. In offline school we get the concepts gets more clearer. Online school In online school the concepts get clearer, but in offline school the concepts get more clear.
Okay. Well spoken, Sachi and Sachit. Now it's a feedback time, starting with Devik. Devik, only a mistake that I found was in your language, like we are not concentrated. Okay. Now, concentrated is a wrong term. Concentrated is kind of an acid, basically.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should have used we cannot concentrate much, or students do not concentrate. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And Mudit, it was good, and I have already told you the better language you could have used. Sachi, you have used we have a better concentrate. So again, the same mistake as Devik. And then you said it create problem not only in studies but also in technical issues. Technical issues in itself is a problem, so it will create problem in technical issues doesn't make sense. Sachit, you were almost correct. I didn't find any problem with that. So good. And you have corrected yourself from will to would also. So that's pretty nice and acceptable. Now we will move to the next set of students. So we have now, oh, guess what is it?
Ma'am,
Pizza.
Delivery.
pizza,
Okay, let's see if the topic comes out to be true.
delivery.
Delivery.
Okay, or sit down restaurant. Home delivery, it should have been home delivery or a sit down restaurant. So let's pick up Gunika and Palak for this.
Okay, ma'am.
So Palak, you can start first.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I would prefer sit-down restaurants to home delivery, because when we go to the when we I would like to have sit-down restaurants, because there we go with our friends and sit together and eat the food and enjoy it.
Okay, Gunika.
I would prefer sit-down restaurants to delivery because in sit-down restaurants we can have fun and spend some quality time with the family.
Okay, let's talk to Karthik and Tejas.
Mama, I would prefer sit-down restaurants because, ma'am, sometimes the delivery isn't very good,
Isn't very?
ma'am. Because sometimes delivery doesn't very in good condition, ma'am. Sometimes delivery boy give us food in the plastic bags, or
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, they do not maintain the clean
Hygiene.
hygiene.
Okay. Tejas.
Ma'am, I would prefer sit down restaurant because it is a more user friendly and social place, so we can enjoy the food as we eat. And but in today's time, we are already uh, de- depended on delivery because of the pandemic.
Anything else you would like to add? Tejas? Okay, I guess we should move further. And I think by far now, Palak, Gunika, Karthik, and Tejas have spoken well up to their ability, and the choice of words were pretty nice. So let's move to the next one now. So we have got
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
paperback books and ma'am, online books,
very good,
ebooks.
e-books.
very nice, very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, there are hardcovers also.
Yes, there are hardcovers also. So now I'd prefer Srishti to speak first and later followed by Tisha.
I would prefer paperback book because I actually love reading. And in ebooks, we don't get that particular feel of collecting the books with us, of reading them keeping it in our hands. That's the feel that we get with the hard books is not in the ebooks.
Right. Tisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I would prefer the paperback books as paperback books. We get feel and if our eyes doesn't get damaged and we feel and we can check. Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, can I repeat?
Mm-hmm.
I would prefer paperback books because they are nice and we get a feel of reading books and our eyes also doesn't get damaged.
Right. So it was pretty good, and it was nice to see Srishti's expression. Basically, that shows her love for books and that she really wants to hold them. How many books do you have in your collection as of now, Srishti?
I'm not much.
bet
I
you
have like 2 whole book collections. One of Wimpy Kid, one of Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
I have one Daddy Long Legs, and also I have Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Great. You have read Rich Dad Poor Dad?
Ma'am, actually, I'm reading it.
That's good. That's a very nice book. It teaches you about your entire life, financial things and all. Perspective-based book. Okay,
Ma'am,
anyway.
can I also speak about this?
You want to speak, so I'll give you chance
Yes,
on
ma'am.
this. But first, I would give chance to who is left? Kian, dear. Kian and Varanne.
Ma'am, I would like to. I prefer paperback books over e-books because, ma'am, I really like books. I like reading them, ma'am. And e-books, ma'am. If we read e-books, ma'am, since they are on gadgets, ma'am, our eyes can get damaged, and ma'am, it gives stressors. And instead, if we, ma'am, but if we are reading paperback books, they relax me. When we are reading e-books, ma'am, I tend to feel like I'm just like studying instead of relaxing with books.
Great. Nice thought. Kian.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I would prefer paperback book, ma'am, over e-books, ma'am, because e-books gets our eyes damaged and ma'am, paper book doesn't. And ma'am, paper book give us real feel while reading.
Very good. Nicely quoted. Now, Sachit, you can put forth your point.
I would prefer paperback books as I get a feel like when I'm reading, in my mind that someone is sitting in front of me and reading the book, different persons at different paragraphs and in different voices. Like I get really fun. And one day I read a book online. I got a headache and was not able to do that thing. What I did in paperback book. And
so what all collections do you have, Sachit?
ma'am, still I'm reading a book series called this middle school, named middle school. I have the book in my room. That's written by
You people are in reading
James
habit. Gia is one
Patterson.
such voracious reader. Yeah. Which
I'm
book?
reading a book named Middle School Books of that series, written by James Patterson.
Okay, that's good. So keep building, keep growing this habit of reading books. It really, really works wonder for one's brain also, and of course creativity too. Now let's
Ma'am, may
move.
I speak something?
Yes, Jia.
Ma'am, the only disadvantage of having reading a ebook is that our mothers will snatch our phones and tell us to read only paperback books. So my preference would be paperback books only.
Great. Okay. Next. So what is it?
Ma'am, nature, ma'am, beautiful.
I'm a lonely house or a city.
Or bungalow.
Okay.
Country.
Ma'am, country or city?
Yeah.
This is country.
Countryside, basically. A village area, countryside. So I would pick up this time Devisha and Gia to put forth their thoughts.
Ma'am, may I start first?
Yes, Gia.
So my preference will be city because city is more developed than living in a countryside because city has got more technology and living in a village or something like that, there will be less technology and less network.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Devisha.
better economy also.
Devisha?
Yes, ma'am. I would prefer countryside because in countryside there is no pollution, and as Gia said that in cities there is more technology than countryside, but more technology is not beneficial for us. It makes our mind, ma'am, what to say, ma'am, it makes our mind damaged. So I would prefer countryside.
Very nicely stated, Devisha. Now, next set of pair for this picture is Cheshta and Vedhanika.
Ma'am, can we prefer both?
Preference is a choice, so you have to pick up one.
Okay. Ma'am, I would prefer city as it has much technology and we only studies at cities. There are not many schools at countryside, and if the people are like in old age time, we would like to shift in countryside only because we don't have any work to do and we can relax there. Like in vacations, I would prefer countryside, or in like daily life, I would prefer city life.
Okay. So you have spoken for both again.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Cheshta will first speak. Has Gunika been given chance?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Cheshta, is she here or has she logged out? Devik, can you speak on this? Louder. I mean, your voice is not. No.
I have to think for a second. Please give me a sec. Ma'am, I would prefer. Ma'am, in what case are we talking about? A person living here or
Your preference, if you are being given a choice to live in a countryside or a city, which one would you prefer?
Ma'am, I would prefer countryside as in the city, lot of noise, a lot of people are there and population is very high. So pollution and noise will be very loud. Hence, however, in the countryside, we will be mostly alone and we can live peacefully.
Okay. Sachi, you want to add something to it?
Yes, ma'am. I would prefer living in city because today uh, world is homogenized by internet and we can't live in internet. And in a country there is pretty silence and I think so we need something uh, to do but in countryside there's nothing to do. It's kind of boring.
I'm amazed, Sachi, you have used the word homogenized and that too quite correctly.
Ma'am, I just was thinking about the word, so I used
Pretty
it.
nice.
Excuse me,
Appreciable.
ma'am.
Sachit, we will talk after this particular picture.
Credit card and cash.
Let us see.
Debit card.
Yes. So Divisha was correct. Now we will talk to Tanuj on this. Tanuj and Tejas.
Ma'am, I would prefer credit card. Ma'am, because in today's life, ma'am, the India is getting digital India. So we should make digital transaction in the place of cash transactions.
Beautiful. It's not the India, it's just India. You use the there, just pointing out that. Otherwise, it was pretty nice. Tanuj.
Ma'am, I would prefer cash, ma'am, because in villages we cannot use credit card more.
Okay. Karthik, what is your viewpoint?
Ma'am, same as the
No, you have to speak.
ma'am. I would prefer credit card, ma'am, because at this time, due to the pandemic, credit card transactions are more safer than the cash.
Oh, wow. That's a good language use. Great. Okay. Anybody else who would like to speak on this topic? Raise your hands only. Okay. Varanne.
Ma'am, in my opinion, I would prefer credit instead of cash because, ma'am, in credit is much more safer and is much more accessible, whereas instead of cash, because I mean cash. It's, first of all, it is it is very dangerous for us, because if we are having cash, they can steal it from us. But if they steal a credit card, they cannot do anything without the
Slow
OTP
down,
or
Varanne.
the
Slow down, Varanne. Rewind and speak your lines slowly. You're not
Okay,
running
ma'am.
short of time.
Because in my opinion, credit card is more safer than cash. Cash can be stolen, but if the credit card is stolen, we can still retrieve it or we can deactivate it. And in my opinion, it is more credit card is more valuable, as if we have cash, sometimes we do not have the change to give money if you are buying something, but in credit we can give the exact amount if you have the money in a bank.
Okay, understood. So please speak little slower. This ways it was pretty understandable. Okay, few more pictures in line. So shopping in store.
Online shopping.
Online shopping.
Yes. So Adhyan versus Srishti.
Ma'am, so should I start first?
Yes.
I'll prefer shopping online because
I'll prefer or I'd prefer. This is the second time you're making the same goof up.
I would prefer shopping online because online shopping has a lot of variety and we can visit any website we want for shopping.
Okay. Srishti?
I would prefer shopping in store because main thing is if we order something online, there is a chance that we may get the wrong size. But also, if we go with our family, with our cousins, so that little time also we enjoy very much with them.
Great. Mudit, what is your take on it?
The parcel.
Sorry, Bachi?
Ma'am, we can replace in that case.
Yes. But it's her choice.
Return and exchange.
But ma'am, now.
Okay, no,
people do
don't
scams
interfere
also.
like this. Don't interfere like this. Mudit is the first one to speak, and then I'll give you a chance one by one. Yes, Mudit.
Ma'am, I would prefer shopping in store, ma'am, because it is, ma'am, because it is more safer than shopping online. as in shopping online, ma'am. The sometimes we get to hear cases like somebody has ordered something very expensive, but he gets little cheap things.
Mm.
And ma'am, shopping in store, we can do bargaining also.
Yes. So there are the chances of manipulation. You can write this word to use it further in your language, manipulation. That means you make little bit of changes and
And we
you
have done it in our computer class.
manipulation.
Yes, ma'am. Database manipulation.
Yes. So you make certain changes with the product, and instead of giving the actual product, you give it to the people with some alterations or changes with cheap products and all. So Devik, have you gone, or is it just your picture placed on your DP showing that it is Devik? It is not activated. Now, next is this.
Call or meet. Oh, text.
Yes, call or text. So Tisha and Palak.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Tisha.
I would like to prefer call because in call we can express our feelings. We can speak in the way we want to express our feelings. However, in the text we cannot. We can only just type it.
Okay. Palak.
I would prefer calling because in calling we can share our experience, ma'am, and we can talk much fluently than by typing, because in typing we will write just a few words, but in calling we can speak more.
Okay. Kian.
Ma'am, did you take my name? I was gone for a few minutes.
No, I haven't taken your name.
Okay,
I'm talking to Kian. Kian, is he here?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I would prefer call ma'am to text message, ma'am, because we can talk directly, ma'am, to our friend or relative, ma'am, and we can speak fast in call, and ma'am, we text, ma'am, we text too.
Sorry, your voice broke in between.
Next is Harry Potter, a topic.
Stop it. Okay, now that it has appeared, anyways, I can't help it. Harry Potter is making it too, swiftly to his grave.
Hogwarts or Temple School.
Yeah. So it's Hollywood
And Bollywood.
or Bollywood. Gunika and Jia.
Ma'am, I would prefer Hollywood because in Hollywood there is more powerful content than in Bollywood. Sometimes in Bollywood the contents are not suitable for our ages, but Hollywood provides morality. If we watch the movies that are suitable for our age, it can provide us many morals and it can provide us many morals and are suitable for all kinds of ages. And while watching Hollywood, due to its foreign languages, we can learn new vocabulary and languages.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Who-
according
yeah.
ma'am, I would like to prefer Hollywood movies and series because they are more animated, and I like watching more animated and magical things.
Okay, fantasy things. Okay. Srishti, because she has got a complete series of Harry Potter, must have got carried away by the picture. So tell me, Srishti.
Ma'am, well, I really can't have a preference in Hollywood and Bollywood, but because there's a picture of Harry Potter, so I am gonna have to pick Hollywood. And also, if we like see the pictures in English language, then also we get a very slight part to learn new words and as well as the accent they speak in.
Correct. Yes. So we have a learning part associated with the Hollywood instead of Bollywood. Yes, that was a strong point.
Ma'am,
Cheshta,
but we can also see dubbed Hollywood movies. Ma'am, they will give no vocab.
dubbed Hollywood movies.
Yes, ma'am, dubbed in Hindi.
Ma'am, they'll give no vocab.
Yeah, so I mean, in that case, dubbed is dubbed only. We're talking about Hollywood and not dubbed one. You can make manipulation anyways. You're not on the side of manipulation. The real Hollywood, no manipulations. Cheshta.
Ma'am, I prefer Bollywood as it's funny and it's attractive.
Okay, that was crisp and precise. We will quickly move to the next one, and I hope that this has to be the last. Scary movie over
comedy.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Why not? Why not? I'm happy
Ma'am,
that you are
ma'am.
interested to speak. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I, please?
Okay, wait now. Kian.
Ma'am, ma'am, I would prefer scary movie, ma'am, over funny movie, ma'am, because scary movies are interesting than funny movies. Ma'am, there is more interest in that, and ma'am,
What is an element of interest in a scary movie?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, there is
Suspense.
Ma'am, that what will happen next.
Okay, so Sachit and Tejas.
Ma'am, I will prefer scary movie. Ma'am, I would prefer a scary movie because in scary movie, when the ghost comes directly, it scares for a second. But when we reverse the scene, it didn't look that scary. But when we जब हम देखते like after that we don't get scared, but although we get a little fun.
Okay, so you really enjoy watching
we get a
scary
jump
movie
scare.
rewind mode.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No.
ma'am, he was saying the same.
Yeah, he watches in rewind mode and
No,
then he
ma'am.
doesn't get scared out of it.
And he is saying that when we watch the scene once again, then we don't feel scared and we feel fun.
Repetitive
Ma'am, we
watching.
know that a jump scare is coming.
Yeah. So anybody else who would like to speak on the same
Ma'am, may
topic?
Ma'am,
Yes, Palak wants
Ma'am,
to
may I?
speak.
Ma'am, really I like scary and funny movies both, but in funny movie it is Total Dhamal, so it's my favorite. So I would prefer funny movies because after seeing them, I laugh that much that it is difficult for my parents to make me sleep at the night. And when I
This
see them
usually
at
happens
the
with the
night,
scary movies. It happens with you in the funny movie that your
No,
parents.
no, ma'am, in funny movies I'm too much happy. Like in my class also, everyone says me that I laugh a lot, that it is difficult for the teacher also to make me stop laughing.
That's
So-
good. May your laughter remains forever.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the last. I'm saying that it's last and last only. I don't know when will it end. Activity now. Okay. So we have the activity for another 15 minutes. So we have got student A's and student B. Please resume your titles on your videos, the A and B title, which you were being given last time. So you will be going into breakout rooms and doing your part. So quickly, you have got few seconds for this.
Prefer maths because perhaps she told that the favorite subject that he likes is mathematics and science.
Okay. Abhas, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Fine. We will move to the next pair and we'll try to come back to you again. So we have the next pair as Adhyan and Divisha. Are you people here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we can't see. Now, ma'am, we can see.
So who is student B amongst you, Divisha? Between you, it's Divisha. Divisha, so what do you think Adhyan would prefer?
I guess that Adhan would prefer physical education because by physical education our health gets improved and we do not get lazy But with computer science or IT, we have to sit in front of electronic gadgets. Because of this, our health does not improve and we get much lazier by sitting all time.
So Adyan, do you think her choice for a preferred subject for you is correct?
Ma'am, her choice is correct, but her reason is not correct.
Could you provide the reason why would you choose, why would you prefer physical education?
Ma'am, as I told her that I love dancing, ma'am, so this was the reason.
Okay, okay. Now we will move to the next pair of students in here. So next pair is Gunika and Palak. So Gunika is student A here and Palak is B. So Palak, you have to decide for Gunika that what would she prefer, whether she would prefer a general science or a social science.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I guess she would prefer journal science because, ma'am, because she told me in the breakout room that she loved to know about the surroundings and human body system. So her favorite subject is science. She told.
Okay, so is this the correct reason, Gunika?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now we will move to the next pair. It's almost 3 minutes left. I think we have to continue this exercise tomorrow also. So we will end up here only with the next pair and then we will continue with tomorrow. Karthik and Srishti. So Srishti is student B here. Srishti, what would Karthik prefer according to you, a burger or a pizza?
Ma'am, I think I guess he would prefer a burger because he said that he likes tangy food and pizza is not much tangy, whereas we can add like sauces to the burger which makes it tangy.
Okay. Karthik, do you agree with what she said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So bingo reason. Good one. So we will stop here only. And